Hello guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's write a program where you can find out if a given number is a leap year or not. So this is the most commonly asked program during the interviews. So please try to concentrate. So guys, before that, what is leap year? Leap year is nothing but which is having 366 days. A year having 366 days is called a leap year. Okay. So what is the logic behind it? It's very easy, guys. So any year which is exactly divisible by 400, where you will be getting the remainder 0, then it is a leap year. Or divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100. It has to be divisible by 4 but it should not divisible by 100. These are the two conditions. Okay. So before that, what are the operators we'll be using in order to find out a leap year? So it's nothing but modulus and or. So while writing the program, you'll come to know about this. So these are the numbers. So let's plot out leap years. So what I said, 400. 400 is divisible by 400. Yes, 400 is a leap year. 850, not divisible. And also 400, no, it is not possible. Now coming to 1900. 1900 is divisible by 4. Okay, and it is also divisible by 100. But it should not be divisible, right? So this is not a leap year. So what about 2400? It is divisible by directly 400. Okay. So because of that, now 400 and 2400. These are the years which are leap years. Okay. So now let us write the program where you can find out a leap year. So now let me create a variable. Let's say year is equals to int, which is an integer type, and also input. In order to take the user's input, so enter a year. Okay, so enter any year. Now comes the logic. So once we get the input, now comes the logic. If condition statement, if year, I have already told you, if year percentile, which is nothing but it gives the modulus, which is nothing but it gives the reminder. Okay, so double equal to 0. Okay, so this is a condition, and the other condition is or is something where you will be having either of the conditions. Okay, here year modulus 4 double equals to 0. It has to be divisible by 4 and it has to be not divisible by 100. Okay, not. It should not be it should not be divisible by 100. The remainder should not be 0. Okay. Now, in that case, what I wanted to print, year, comma, is a leap year. So, if any of the condition is satisfied, which means that it's a leap year. Okay. So, else what? Of course, else is nothing but is not a leap year. Right. So else is nothing but it's not a leap year. Okay. So let me just run this program. So let's say we are in 2023. So it is not a leap year. So now what if 2024 and enter? It is a leap year. So coming year, which is 2024, is a leap year. Okay. This is how we write the program in order to find out a year if it is a leap year or not. Okay. So that's all about the program, guys. For more such programmatic based videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And also please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you so much.